Hey guys, so this is either the start of my college packing vlog or like a week in my life of my last week at home before leaving for the school year. And my hair is a mess right now because I just got out of the shower, but I'm about to go run some errands with my friend Lexi and just do some last minute returns, pick up command strips for my dorm, etc. And so I thought I'd take you guys with me and just vlog a little bit. So let's go. Hello, I'm in the car now with Lexi. She's here.
Hi.
Hello. And we're just gonna go run some errands. She's just joining me for funsies.
Yeah.
And I look like a poop emoji and she looks like the salsa dancing emoji right now.
Thanks.
So I apologize for you guys having to look at this.
I haven't been on Veronica's channel since like 20K, so I need to look amazing.
Is this a one-time use? Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of a Bed Bath & Beyond haul for you guys, because this is all just riveting. I got 2 packs of command strips because I need to be able to hang things up on the walls in my dorm room, so that's important. And then the most exciting part is that I got some scrubbing bubbles and toilet cleaner. So Haley and I can, you know, have the cleanest bathroom in the whole dorm building. And that is all for our Bed Bath & Beyond haul, so thanks for tuning in for this segment. Hey guys, so today is Thursday and I'm with my mom. Hi. And we are at Target one more time to just get like some last minute toiletries and cleaning supplies and laundry necessities because I need to get like shampoo and conditioner and laundry detergent. I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera had like super low battery and I didn't realize until 5 minutes before we were about to leave, and those shopping carts are stuck. But anyways, we are just doing our annual Target trip right before I leave for college. Are you gonna miss me, Mom? Yes. She said yes. Is she though? I got back home from Target and I don't even think I vlogged very much while I was there just because I literally bought shampoo, conditioner, laundry detergent, and like fabric softener and like a few cleaning supplies. So it really wasn't anything exciting because I've already like purchased snacks and stuff that I'll be bringing to my college dorm. And I'm reusing a lot of things from last year. My room right now is like in shambles because I had to film earlier because I was pre-filming a bunch of content, so I'm going to be able to upload some stuff when I'm at a work retreat next week. Tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment and a hair appointment that I'm going to, but the rest of the day I'm planning on like packing up the rest of my clothes and gathering things out of my basement so that I can just be a bit more organized. I'm using my same like packing list that I used last year, and so I'll link this in the description of this video, but it is literally like so helpful, guys. It goes over like every little thing one could possibly need in their dorm room. But yeah, that's just my little update for you guys. I feel like this vlog has been like super random so far, just because like I haven't really been doing much packing yet because I'm a total procrastinator. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys tomorrow when I'm getting everything together. Hey guys, so it is currently Friday afternoon and I got a haircut today, so my hair is looking a little bit shorter. I'm about to start packing up all of my clothes, so I might just be ruining this hairstyle that she put in my hair and just throwing it up in a ponytail because I can't handle it when hair is in my face. Anyways, I kind of spent the day walking around my house and just kind of like gathering all of my college essentials and piling them in my living room. So there's currently a monstrous pile on the floor. But anyways, since I am now like 2 days away from moving into college and I still haven't tackled any of the clothes that I'm bringing, I thought that I would just rip the band-aid off and get it over with now. So I'm gonna be taking all of my clothes and figuring out what I'm taking to college, what I'm gonna sell on Poshmark, what I'm donating, and what stays behind. So just prepare yourselves for a lot of time lapses. Alright, so since I last talked to you guys, I took a dinner break and then visited with my friend Bree since we're both leaving for school soon and it was going to be our last time seeing each other, but I've made a little bit of progress with my clothes. As you can see, there is a whole chunk missing out of my closet because I put all of my sweatshirts that I absolutely love out, and as you can see, this is probably way too many, but all of my other clothes I've whittled down pretty well. I have shorts over there, long sleeves, t-shirts, sorority shirts, Marquette shirts, and then just like a few tank tops. I feel like I'm bringing a ton more clothes than I did last year. But last year I totally thought I was not going to have enough room for anything, and it turns out that I had a ton of like closet and drawer space. So I kind of like expanded the amount of things that I am willing to bring this year. There's a lot of like jeans and leggings going on here, so I might leave some jeans behind since like it won't be too cold at the very beginning of the year. After I go through all of this once more, I'm just gonna throw it in this suitcase right here. While I was actually going through like all my clothes in my drawers and my closet, I actually made a pretty decent pile of clothes on my chair in the corner of things that I'm either going to sell on Poshmark or donate. So if you're not following me on Poshmark yet, please make sure to go do that and check out the clothes I'm selling on there because a lot of them are still like brand new with tags. I should also probably mention that I'm moving into campus like a week earlier than all the other sophomores because I have to do some job training for my on-campus job. So I'm going to be living in temporary housing for a while, which is a bit confusing, but I'll do a better job of like explaining it in my actual move-in day vlog if you end up watching that once I upload it. So not only am I packing for my dorm room, but I'm also packing a duffel bag right here for a work retreat that I'm going on like literally the day after I drop off all of my belongings. So this is definitely gonna be a really interesting week. I'm literally gonna be living in like 3 different places over the span of the next week. Like, how weird is that? Anyways, Progress is slow, but it is being made, and I changed into a sweatshirt because I'm about to go get some frozen custard with friends so we can all say our goodbyes because a ton of us are leaving this weekend, which is so sad, but I'm gonna see them like over Thanksgiving break and stuff, so I'm not too worried. And I keep touching my hair because I'm not used to it being this short. But yeah, that's just my update for now. I feel like this vlog is like not very informative, so I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so it is now Friday afternoon, and what am I talking about? It's not Friday, it's Saturday. Okay, so it is now Saturday afternoon, and I leave tomorrow. I'm panicking more than just a little bit, but I'm pulling through. Anyways, I am in our guest bedroom right now. This is kind of where my desk is, and so I'm currently trying to sort through all of my school supplies. So since I last talked to you guys, I have finally kind of like organized all my school supplies and at least like gotten them in neat piles on my floor. So I have this here. And then I'm also bringing this thing to school with me. It's gonna be on my desk. But yeah, that's like about it. And now I am going to tackle what is the real big elephant in the room, and that is this pile. My camera totally died while I was trying to film that last time lapse, but it's been a few hours since I last updated you guys, and I pretty much got everything that used to be in this giant pile organized into separate bags and bins, so everything kind of just has like its own place. Like this bin, I'm pretty sure, is all like cleaning supplies and just miscellaneous things. And then I have like bedding and towels in these bags right here. I absolutely love these storage containers because they are able to like stuff so much things in here. I have a large assortment of like school supplies, and then also some like decor pieces and like kitchen stuff in this drawer, and then this other drawer has the rest of my kitchen stuff and some like random like pads, tampons, more decor, really just like wherever things will fit. Anyways, I am finishing up in my room. I still need to put my hanging clothes in garbage bags, and then down here I have these like plastic drawers that I am going to put my shoes and like technology in, and so I still need to organize those, and I still need to get all of my toiletries together. I definitely procrastinated when it came to packing this year, and I'm paying the price right now, but I'm just gonna roll with the punches and get whatever it is that I can get done in the next like hour or so before I go to sleep. Alright, well it is the next morning, which means that it is officially move-in day. I got everything packed and we got it all set up in the car. It's looking like a real good Tetris puzzle up in there right now. But anyways, I am about to have breakfast with my family before we head on the road to get going on our way to Milwaukee. So I am going to end this vlog right here, and if you guys want to see what my move-in process looks like this year, make sure to stay tuned for my move-in vlog coming super soon. Feel free to turn on that post notification bell so you're notified when I do upload that video, and other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!